Hi, once again I welcome you all to SPP Math Tutor. Today I am here with you all understanding quadrilaterals of class 8. In this video, mainly we will be discussing about a curve, different types of curves, polygons, different types of polygons, etc. Before we come to the lesson, let us recall what you have learned so far. What do you know about the curve? How will you define curve? Okay, let me explain to you what is curve. Curve is a shape or a line. Curve is a shape or a line which is smoothly drawn in a plane, having a bend or turns in it. Curve is a shape. Curve is a shape or a line. These are curves. This is a curve which is having a shape or which is having a bend. This is a bend having a turn in it. These are the different types of curves. Some curves we can see curve is a shape or a line which is smoothly drawn in a plane having a bend or turns in it. These are the examples of curve. According to the syllabus, there are two types of curves to be taught in class 8. We know there are two curves: simple open, simple closed. There are some curves are simple open, some are simple closed. Before we learn this simple open curve, simple closed curve, let me tell you what is simple curve. How do you define simple curves? These are the examples of simple curve. Because simple curve is a curve that does not cross itself. It should not be like that. This is not a simple curve. Reason, you know why this is not a simple curve? Because this curve crosses itself here. This is not a simple curve. Simple curve is a curve that does not cross itself. There are two types of curves. Some simple curves are open, some simple curves are closed. This is not a simple curve because this curve crosses itself here. This also not a simple curve. This curve crosses itself here. Some curves are open like this. This is simple open. This is simple closed. Open curve means beginning and end points. We can see the beginning and end points. But here beginning and end points are same. Here beginning and end points we can see. This is a simple closed curve. This is a simple closed curve. This is an open curve. This is an open curve because beginning and end points we can see. So some curve, simple curve is a curve. Simple curve is a curve that does not cross itself. Okay. Now some curves are made up of line segments. We know some curves are made up of line segments. This is made up of line segments. This is made up of line segments. Now let us come to the point of polygon. Polygon. How will you define polygon? Polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments. We have learned so many types of curves, but some curves are made up of line segments. Polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments. For example, a polygon having three sides. What do you call the polygon having three sides? Polygon having three sides. What do you call it? It is a triangle. Polygon having three sides. That is a triangle is a polygon because this is a closed figure. It is made up of three line segments. A polygon having four sides. What do you call? A polygon having four sides. What do you call? It is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides. According to the sides, we have 5 sides polygon is called pentagon, 6 sides we have hexagon, 7 sides we have heptagon, 8 sides we call octagon, 9 side nonagon, 10 side decagon, etc. Each polygon has to be divided into different triangles. Okay, polygon can be divided into two triangles. If polygon we have 4 sides, quadrilateral we have 4 sides, then we can divide into two triangles. Now polygon having 5 sides, what do you call? What do you call polygon having 5 sides? This is a pentagon. Pentagon can be divided into 3 triangles. If there are four-sided polygon means 4-sided polygon can be divided into 2 triangles. 5-sided polygon can be divided into 3 polygons, 3 triangles. 6-sided polygon can be divided into 6-sided polygon can be divided into 4 triangles. If there are 4 sides, that polygon can be divided into two triangles. If a polygon having five-sided polygon can be divided into three triangles. Six-sided polygon can be divided into four triangles. Seven-sided polygon can be according to this pattern. We realized that one thing we understood that there is a difference 2 coming. If four sides are there means 4 minus 2 2. If five sides are there means 5 minus 2 3. There is a difference 2 between the number of triangles and sides. Between the number of triangles and sides there is a 2 difference. Six-sided polygon we can make it divided into 4 triangles. That means 6 minus 2 4. Like this, when we follow this pattern, we understand that 7-sided polygon can be divided into 5 triangles. 8-sided polygon can be divided into 6 triangles. 9-sided polygon can be divided into 7 triangles. 10-sided polygon can be divided into 8 triangles, etc. That means if we have now we can generalize. If we have 4-sided polygon, we can say 4 minus 2. If there are 5-sided polygon means 5 minus 2, that means 3 triangles. 6-sided polygon means 6 minus 2, there are 4 triangles. 8-sided polygon can be divided into 8 minus 2, 6 triangles. Therefore, we can generalize. We can generalize this sum of the angles. Now, sum of the angles of a polygon we can generalize. Sum of the angles of a triangle we know 180. If there are 2 triangles, we know that 2 into 180. What is the sum of the quadrilateral? 2 into 180, 360. If there are 3 triangles, 3 into 180. What is the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon? Pentagon has divided to 3 triangles. Therefore, 3 into 180, 540. What is how many triangles are there in hexagon? We have 5-sided polygon. We have 5-sided polygon. 6-sided polygon can be divided 6 minus 2 into 6 minus 2 4. 4 into 180. So if we have 2 triangles, 2 into 183. Sum of the angles of a quadrilateral 360. Sum of the angles of pentagon 5 minus 2. 3 into 180 540. Sum of the angles of a hexagon 6 minus 2. There are 4 triangles. 4 into 180 720. Now let us generalize this. Sum of the interior angles of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. To find the sum of the angles of any polygon, we can use this formula n minus 2 into 180. Now we will be discussing more content in the next video. Thank you.